on how to create a customer acquisition cost calculator using Lovable AI. Whether you're a startup founder, marketer, or business analyst, this tool will help you track and optimize your customer acquisition costs with real-time currency conversion and predictive insights. Before we dive in, let's understand what customer acquisition cost (CAC) is. CAC helps businesses calculate how much they are spending to acquire a new customer. It includes expenses like advertising, salaries, agency fees, and software costs. A lower CAC means a more efficient marketing strategy. So let's create a tool to track it all. Now, let's start building. First, log into Lovable AI. Once you're logged in, you'll be able to create a user-friendly CAC calculator. You'll need a prompt like this. Create a user-friendly customer acquisition cost calculator that allows businesses to input their marketing and sales expenses along with the number of new customers acquired to calculate their CAC. The tool should include fields for ad spend, salaries, software costs, agency fees, and other marketing expenses. It should also provide insights into reducing CAC, benchmarking against industry standards, and visualizing trends over time. Ensure an intuitive UI with a clear breakdown of results. Now that Lovable AI is generating the code, we can move forward. Here's what the calculator looks like once it's generated. As you can see, there are fields for ad spend, salaries, software costs, agency fees, and more. Make sure your calculator supports multiple currencies. We can easily add that feature by giving Lovable AI the following prompt. Now, add a feature in the calculator for currency change, including INR. Once everything is set, click the Publish button on the top right corner, and your CAC calculator website is live. Now, let's calculate and see the results. Enter your ad spend, salaries, agency fees, and the number of new customers acquired. The calculator will give you your customer acquisition cost in real time. What's even better? The tool provides predictive insights. It uses historical data trends to forecast future, helping businesses make data-driven decisions and optimize marketing budgets. And that's it. Your calculator is ready. And with the ability to switch currencies and provide predictive insights, it's an essential tool for any business looking to optimize their customer acquisition strategy. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials like this.